Hello, my lovely lovelies. I hope this finds you doing fan-tubular, as always. So sometimes you win, and sometimes you learn. Sometimes you win, and sometimes you learn. Interesting. You need to be meditating at least once a day. At least. Release the fear of the unknown. We need to identify the forces that are holding us back. What we achieve inward will appear outward. Don't stray from the current path that you're on. Know what is making you resist change. He who is not conquering a fear every day has not yet learned the secret of life. You're entering a new phase in life. If you're feeling stuck, this is a message of better things on the horizon. It's time to let go of unhealthy relationships. Most definitely time to let go of unhealthy relationships. This family, work, partnerships. You may be having a hard time balancing your light and your dark side. Be more clear on your manifestations. Be more decisive. So we are only one decision away from a completely different life. So you need to remember that. The people who are meant to be in your life will gravitate to you. Trust in the timing of your life. Stay focused and pay attention. Listen to the good stuff. So you need to be listening to the good stuff about yourself, not the bad stuff. I mean, you should... I'm not saying don't... You should be listening to your head when it comes to talking bad to yourself. I hope that makes sense. Do you have a reason for being here in this physical body? The answer to that should be yes. To enjoy it. That is the reason we are in this physical body. We are here to enjoy this human experience. Not suffer. So you are enjoying the evolution of your life right now. The state of mind is really, really, really important. So your state of mind that you have at this current time is important. Especially if you're trying to manifest. Using your instincts to co-create, which is awesome. So keep doing that. Keep using them instincts to co-create. Don't be seeking anyone's approval. Know what your love language is. You may be in this split energy about wanting and doubting. So don't doubt it. Know it's yours. Care about how you feel. Care about how you feel, why you feel that way. Like, really get down to the very root of the source of the feeling. Choose to see beyond the beyond. Nothing in life is what it seems. Open your eyes to the beyond this reality. So you may be doing more 5D thinking. You may be putting more perspective on things, different outlooks, which is awesome. Continue to do such. What do you truly want from yourself? What is your dream? So what do you truly want from yourself? What is your higher being telling you that you should be doing? What are the signs and synchronicities of what your higher being is telling you? What is your dream? You are never too old to have a dream. Can you accept that reality is just a result of your convictions? And your convictions can always change just like you. So what kind of outmoded thinking do you need to shred? The angels are watching your rebirth and are amazed at your progress. What convictions about yourself and life do you need to change? What is important to you? What kind of life do you want to live? These are all questions you need to be asking yourself. These are all questions that you need to get to the root of an answer to. That way, when you're manifesting what you actually want. And you don't have a doubt in your mind. Chimes of the spirit. So you may be hearing chimes of some sort. So, and this love may be forever. This love may be forever. Don't be seeking anyone's approval and know your love language. Ask yourself those questions. Are you opening up to being beyond this reality? Or are you still thinking in the 3D sense? Care about how you feel and what has made you feel that way. Know that those are important. Don't let your past hold you back. Your dreams is soon to become a reality. Trust your heart and continue to follow in its guidance. Laying right here on top of the deck. I just happened to look down at it. So, manifest what you want. We're gonna use this deck to see if that card. We're gonna use it. Secret admirer. Someone has deeper feelings for you than they are letting on. They may find you very attractive. That's too many cards, Spirit. So, in the answers that you are seeking, you already know them. Your higher being already knows the answers to whatever you are seeking. Power. You instinctively know what is right for you, and you have the power to say no and walk away at any time. New beginnings. A new adventure awaits. Embrace it and live dreams passionately. So, live your dreams passionately. Like, what do you want to do? Do something new. Do something new. At least something that you haven't never done. At least once a year. Healing. Imagine yourself and your beloved surrounded by light. Feel your relationship being healed at this very moment. Let there be closeness between you, but always give each other space. Love never claims, it simply allows and gives. So you need to be in the present moment as well. Quit trying to control everything. Not everything is under your control. So deep in your heart, you already know the answer. Do what feels right. Deep in your heart, you already know the answer. Do what feels right. The answers that you seek, you already know the answers to. You already know the answers to what you seek. Deep in your heart, you already know the answer. Do what feels right. Damn. Alright. Only time will tell. You may not always understand why certain things happen. However, there is always a higher purpose to the events in your life. Through turmoil, a blessing will soon be revealed. Honor the place in one another where you are one eternal soul, for there you will find true bliss. So maybe you need to be a little more relaxed in your relationship. Open up a little more. If you're in a relationship. Love is the beauty of the soul. Honor and treasure your relationship, for it is sacred. Honor the place in one another where you are one. That is where you will find bliss. Emotions are a natural and necessary part of life, but they can also distort your perception and cloud your vision. In order to see things clearly, you must let go of resentment. Freedom. There is nothing stopping you. The path is clear if you want it to be. The path is clear if you want it to be. Damn it, man. Damn it, man. You may see things differently than what now in life. Especially if you're evolving and you're raising your vibration. Beware of what you are projecting, for the qualities you admire in one another are qualities you both possess. Equally so, the qualities you don't like are also your own reflection. Ooh. So you may be dealing with a twin flame. Remember that the qualities that you don't like are your own reflection. Open your root chakra. Work on them bottom three, root, sacral, and your solar plexus. Just as the body cannot exist without blood, the soul needs the matchless and pure strength of faith, Gandhi. So you need to trust in the divine and know that you are being led in the right direction. If you could do anything, what would it be? The answer dwells in your heart, not your mind. For the heart is the gateway to the soul. What? So what is your dream? Thank you, Spirit, for the confirmation. Don't make decisions based on guilt or what you think you should do. For it is only in being true to yourself that you can be true to others. So, right here on top of the flipping deck. What did I say? What did I say? Oh, snap. Oh. So, twin flames, your passion ignites. Passion. What? Passion, a magnetic and seductive quality surrounds you at the present. So enjoy it. So you have some magnetic stuff going on around you right now. Enjoy it. Have passion for your life. Have passion for your life. On the top of the deck is 222, hope, balance, harmony, life choices, commitment, compromise, and trust. So you need to be trusting in the divine. What was left laying on the table was 85 and 777. So you may be seeing these two numbers everywhere. Indicates prosperity as well as material and spiritual growth. Important to create positive in your life, especially in the view of upcoming changes and developments. Do not be influenced by what others have to say and live life on your terms. 1844. So live life on your terms. 777. You are aligned with the universe's energy and are ready to receive. This is miracles, good fortune, and happiness. They were left later on the table, so that's where we'll put on the eagle. Because they were up. Life is like riding a bicycle. To keep your balance, you must keep moving. Albert Einstein. So you must keep moving. Just keep swimming. Just keep swimming. Especially if you're dealing with a twin flame reunion. Like, those are the most trying. So, like, because it's the twin flame reunion puts you through kind of like a dark night of the soul at first, because you're looking at what you need to heal in yourself. $644. This is a financial breakthrough. Love is also associated with this number. This is the show of of care towards someone or something special. (1342) believes that you are on the right path of your life. Think of all the great things and uncountable blessings. So think of all the great things that are going on in your life right now. Be happy for what you have and not focused on what you don't have. 855. This has to do with career. You are going to have a successful career, or you have had a successful career. 588. You have the ability to do well if you put in the necessary effort. So it must take effort. You must put in the work. Trust me, you must put in the work. It doesn't just come to you. So we have 1396 holds a promise of knowledge and wisdom from the universe. You may be at life path number 3, 8, 5, 4, 7. You need to be opening your chakras, aligning yourself, keeping yourself well grounded. So 1523 asks you to go ahead and ask for more information. This will help you make the right choice. So asking for more information, using the knowledge and the wisdom from the universe as well, will help you make the proper decision. So 1515, change, transition, and shifts. You have special gifts. Well, already did. You have special gifts to help people heal. So you need to be harnessing your gifts. You need to be knowing your purpose. Or you are doing that, and you just need to get some more information. Or you're going through it, or you're getting ready to hit a big shift. That's more how I feel. Like you're getting ready to hit a big shift in your vibration at this point. Like you're about to level up. (5887) perseverance and control of energy to produce material and spiritual achievements. Thank you, Spirit. So you're definitely getting ready to hit a big shift. And we definitely are 5, 8, 3, and 7, and 4. Those could be all life path numbers. 24 exactly on the phone when I looked up. So if I have lost confidence in myself, I have the universe against me. So you need to be confident in yourself right now. 166 is to remind you that your family is in good hands. So this is to remind you that whatever you are working on, your family will be taken care of as well. Interesting. Introspective. Things do not change, we do. So remember that. It is easy for me to express myself. I am understood and I hear what others are communicating. You may need to be saying that affirmation. $6.15. This is financial security is addressed. This is planning for the future. You need to take time and effort to pay attention to the intuitive thoughts and emotions that you are having. 2397. You may be seeing 23 everywhere. You can do everything better with your angels at hand. You just need to ask for their assistance. You're reflecting. Been in reflection. Choose your inner peace. Call back your power. Cut those negative etheric cords. You'll feel a lot lighter. You'll feel a lot better. So, I hope this has all helped you out. And until next time, peace out. Namaste.